Great day, guys. So this is our part 2 of steps on how to operate Deerma Black 5-liter humidifier. So I have here the lid. We're going to cover the lid. And then first, second, we're going to plug. So we have a plug here. That plug is 220 volts. So now we're going to plug this. So now on. This is the digital button. Then it's on. You can see now the fog is coming out. So we're going to adjust to stage 3 mode. So going here. Second. Third means third strong mist. So we're going to see this. You can see now. Wow, the strong fog. Then if you want to remove the lid, then if you want to this way, this can be also. So this depends on your taste. So we're going to put back. Then we adjust the how strong you want to be. So we have here 5. So this is already off. There. Then now I'm going to show you what it look like. This one, the third timer is the third number. The third is the timer. So it depends on what you want. 1 hour or 2 hours, and so on and so forth. Then if you don't like to see display, there we have here. Then you can see the fog still movable. Then if you want with display, so if we want to put to 1, so we have here there. I can see the strong fog. Then if you want the strongest fog again, then have 2, then you can see. If you want 3, then the strongest one. So if you have any comments, subscribe in my YouTube or comment me. So if you if you want in order of this, just PM me my Facebook account, Messenger. This is Carlo Tan. Thank you and God bless. Then it's already off.